Cambridge, just half an hour to go. And leading up to Christmas, you can see what's on in the Corn Exchange, where you'll find everything from comedy to rock and pop. Visit cornex.co.uk for the upcoming Christmas schedule. You can enjoy a magical trip to see the ballet and one of the most popular productions comes to Cambridge, bringing sparkle to the festive season. That's the Nutcracker from the 27th to the 30th of December. If you've just joined us, welcome to Midsummer Common. My name's Andy Lane.